Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay then, we're on the record, and this is the Moonraker Master, which is very bassy.
Yeah, I have to back the volume off, and I think he's probably still a little bit close to the microphone over.
Ah, Roger, I'll talk from a distance, which is actually better for the video. So I've switched the channel lamp on.
Right, I'm mobile now towards the end of the line.
Okay, well I'm certainly receiving you loud and clear. So we've got the display on. It's on high power, which is 4 watts. And we're running on the power supply on the bench, and that is 12 volts. It is not 13.8. Never apply 13.8 to one of these. Roger, got you at Ancaster Services, over. I know it's off camera, but you've got volume, squelch and channel on the top. The squelch is very wishy-washy on these. It's real letdown on these and the earlier versions from the same factory, things like the Harrier and the Harvard and the oh, what was the other one? The Alba. So it's still a similar kind of circuit to those.
I'm just passing through Ancaster Crossroads, over.
Got you loud and clear as Ancaster Crossroads. I've had to turn the studio light off, so it's a bit dull on the front for the viewing, but it's an LED thing with an inverter, and with this particular product it's causing interference, so that's not ideal. In fact, if I switch it on I can show you what happens. Actually, we might get away with that at the moment. Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Now we will turn that off again. Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner. Now the receiver on this is nothing like as sophisticated as a lot of mobile sets. There's less filtering. But we did hear him in that very difficult position. Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger, got you at the Kelby Crossroads, over. Bear in mind the audio output into the very thin loudspeaker on this radio is only 1/4 of a watt, so most mobile sets are greater than 2 watts. Tango 21, I know it's you, but I'm not receiving you because of background noise. So I know you're at Grayleys, over. So that's Radio 1, isn't it? It's not really readable. So it is the filtering in this set that's letting it down. Roger, once again, I know it's you, but I can't tell you what you're saying, Mr Chippie, over. Right, I'm just going to change power supplies, just in case it's the power supply causing a snag. Just one moment. So I can get 21 Mr Chippie on a different power supply, over. Okay, so you're actually at the Quarrington roundabout, so that's excellent. That is actually a bit better, so although these are high-grade power supplies, this radio is very susceptible to picking up interference. Over. Okay, I'll see you back here and I'll just conclude the test into our base station.
Number 21, receiving Mr Chippie at the Wilsford level crossing, and this is testing the Moonraker Master hand portable into our Harrier base station. Viewers will notice that the interference from our main power supply caused the receiver to be, some of the received signal to mask because this radio has very poor filtering. We changed power supplies, we got a little bit better receive, but quite frankly the receive range was restricted to about 4 miles. Thank you for watching.